Hi there. I'm Dr. Vlad, a pediatrician specializing in autism for children. Parents are often worried about the social skills of children on the autism spectrum, as well as some aggressive and obsessive behaviors too. So, where do video games fall into this scenario? See, video games can be a way that encourages social communication with peers. That is very common these days. A lot of children play video games, and if you think you can eliminate it altogether, then that's probably wishful thinking. So we have to learn to live in this green dominated environment in which we find ourselves these days, but we do it cautiously and carefully, and we try to avoid the pitfalls of video games, the aggression that can happen, and the addiction that can happen with playing video games. The first thing to do is to take a holistic look at the time spent during a day when a child is playing video games. The American Academy of Pediatry recommends no more than 1 to 2 hours of total screen time per day. So use a timer system or a token system that allows your child certain hours to be with video games. And then you also want to ask yourself, they're using video games to escape something. What are they escaping that is so horrible? Is there a more productive way for them to escape, such as engaging in physical activity or reading or talking to someone directly? Are they escaping social interactions? You want to use video games also as an opportunity to bond with your child so they can get playtime, but only if that playtime is used to play with you, to interact with them and bring yourself into their world. It's really important to be aware of what they are actually playing to try to minimize their exposure to aggressive and violent content so that they themselves do not begin to imitate aggressive or violent behaviors. When it comes to having a start time for games, you want to make sure that children have completed their daily responsibilities, such as homework or chores, before indulging in gaming sessions. Be consistent with it and be firm that there are no exceptions to this rule. The games should definitely be in a common area where it is the property of the whole family rather than just one child, allowing you more control over what your child is playing. And they can understand that this is something that the family is okay with, and it's not a personal hidden single thing that I'm going to be using all the time. You want to definitely have, going back to the holistic perspective, a range of activities for your child to do throughout the day, not only video games, and give them positive reinforcement when they do non-gaming activities to encourage them to explore diverse interests, such as even helping you cook. For parents in New York State, navigate autism with confidence. Call our office to begin your child's tailored developmental journey today. Imagine your child not just playing games, but also learning, growing, thriving, and having fun, and having some moments of video games with that. The right approach, video games can be used appropriately without all of the harmful side effects that can come with them.